NigerFlavor.com.
Money fall on you, banana fall on you, Prada fall on you, cause I'm in love with you.
That's pretty good. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for checking out my channel. Whew, I'm still very tired from all the changing and the running around that I've been doing for this video. But as you probably saw in a little bit of the clips, this is what to wear in the fall thrift edition. So I have 2 items that are not thrifted, and I'll tell you which ones they are, but everything else is thrifted. First item that I have are these shoes that I got at Macy's for $20, and they're a 9 West brand. I'm so out of breath, I'm so sorry. Okay. I really love these shoes because they're super comfortable. This is the second item, and it's basically a tennis skirt, and it's inside out. Let me zip this up. I got this at the thrift store like a year and a half ago, and I'm pretty sure it was like around $3. Everything that I have is less than $6. I know that much. So there's this. The next item that I have is one of the items that aren't from the thrift store. Actually, make that 3. I have 3 items that aren't from the thrift store. So this top I got from, I don't remember. I think this is also from Macy's. Okay, one, Macy's, H&M, or Zara. It's not Zara. Macy's or H&M, one of these stores. And it basically loops and ties around, and I really love the sleeves. But it's beautiful because it has these little frilly details that goes around the necks and hangs down the boobs. I love it. This is just an accessory that you can definitely have for fall time. A black bag, and a black bag of any sort, and this is from Victoria's Secret. It's really, really dope. I got a lot of coins in this bag. The next item I have is a blazer. I got this from the thrift store. Or this is one of my OG thrift pieces. I got this like 2-3 years ago from the thrift store for less than $6. Isn't this pattern just super duper cute? I really love it because it's big and it has deep pockets, and I also roll the sleeves up. This jeans is from Missguided, and it's in one of my more recent, okay, zipper, don't work. It's in one of my more recent thrift videos. Okay, my zipper is not going up right now, but it's so cute. It's a size 8, and my aunt made fun of me this morning because she's like, that doesn't look like it fits you, but it stretches, and I love it. My favorite find, especially for fall, is this velvet robe. That's exactly what it is, but I'm going to wear it as a jacket because it's just going to be perfect for fall. Look at how beautiful it is. It's my version of Harry Potter's invisibility cloak. I love it. It's super duper heavy, so it'll keep me warm, but it's not too heavy where I'm burning up. This is also another item that I got from the thrift store. It's a flannel, and every girl, guy, cat, rat, rabbit should have a flannel in their closet. Especially a dark colored flannel or anything like fall related, because, you know, it's for the season. I really love this color, love the tan. Kind of reminds me of Christmas, to be honest, but I love it. And the last item I got is this jacket from the thrift store. Can you believe it? I love to go in the men's section all the way in the back with the jackets so I can find all the cool stuff before I go to the women's section. And it's this like dirty green, like army green color. It's really, really amazing. I wore it today because it's supposed to rain, and I think this is like a windbreaker slash raincoat slash winter jacket if you want to like attach a fleece on the inside. There's zippers for that. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been such a pleasure. Thank you to our video recording woman, Z, behind the camera. Yeah, it was such an amazing video, and I hope you guys stay warm this fall leading into the winter time, and stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
Why is it so hard to accept the party is over?